Dear students, in the last class, our discussion was about calculation of sacrificing ratio. Today, let me solve 2-3 problems on the same, that is calculation of sacrificing ratio. First, note down the problem. Ram and Rahim are partners in a firm, sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3. They admit Robert as a new partner. The new profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1. Calculate sacrificing ratio. And we know that sacrificing ratio equals old share of profit minus new share of profit. Sacrificing ratio equals old share of profit minus new share of profit. Here, Ram and Rahim were the old partners who used to share the profit or losses in the ratio of 5:3. So, the old share of Ram or Ram's old share equals 5:3 means 5/8. If total is 8, 5 belongs to Ram, or if the total profit is rupees 8, 5 rupees goes to Ram. That is Ram's old share, 5/8. New share of Ram. Look there, new ratio is 3:2:1. Therefore, Ram's new share equals 3/6. Ram's new share equals 3/6. Now, you can calculate share sacrificed by Ram or Ram's sacrifice. How much it is? His old share 5/8. His new share 3/6. His old share 5/8. His new share 3/6. For deducting the fractions, we need to calculate lowest common multiplier. LSA ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಿದ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆ LSAವನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಿದೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು? In the last problem, we have directly calculated the lowest common multiplier. But here the case is different. We have to find out the LCM first. See, for calculating LCM, look at the denominator 8 and 6. 5/8 ಮತ್ತೆ 3/6 ಇದೆ. 8 ಮತ್ತು 6 ಅನ್ನು lowest common multiplier ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. How to calculate? So you may write it down at the side. 8 and 6. First, the common multiplier is 2 4 ja 8 and 2 3 ja 6. 4 and 3. And again there is no common multiplier. Therefore LCM equals 2 into 4 into 3. 2 into 4 into 3 comes to how much? Comes to 24. So here 24 is the lowest common multiplier. LCM is 24, or LCM, lowest common factor is 24. So, how to deduct it? 8 how many times comes to 24? You may see that this is rough, you need not show it. 8 into 3, 24. 8 3 times comes to 24. In the same way, the numerator is 5. 5 3 times how much? 5 into 3, 15. So write that 15 minus 6 how many times comes to 24? 6 into 4, 24. Therefore 3 into 4 how much? 3 into 4, 12. 15 minus 12 equals 3/24. Share sacrificed by Ram is 3/24. Clear ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. 5/8 minus 3/6. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು? ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ವಿ, LCM ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ವಿ, 24 ಅಂತ. 8 ಅನ್ನ 3 ದಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 24 ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗೇನೆ 5 ಅನ್ನ 3 ದಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? 15 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Then 6 into 4 24, 3 into 4 12, 15 minus 12, 3 by 24. Then you may remove that rough note. Now calculate share sacrificed by Rahim. How to calculate? The same method. Rahim's old share how much? You see that? 3 by 8. Rahim's old share 3 by 8. Rahim's new share how much? Rahim's new share 2 by 6. Old share 3 by 8. New share 2 by 6. Therefore, share sacrificed by Rahim equals his old share 3 by 8 minus his new share. How much it is? 2 by 6. 3 by 8 minus 2 by 6. We have already calculated the LCM. 8 and 6. The same 8 and 6 is here. So, LCM is 24. Again, I told earlier, 8 how many times comes to 24? 8 into 3, 24. ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ತೆಗೆದು ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, 8 into 3, 24. Numerator is 3. 3 into 3 comes to how much? 9. 3 into 3, 9. In the same way, 6 into 4, 24. 2 into 4, 8. So 9 minus 8 comes to how much? 1 by 24. 24 is common there, isn't it? So 9 minus 8 comes to 1 by 24. So share sacrificed by Rahim is 1 by 24. It is very clear. Therefore, sacrificing ratio equals how much it is? Ram sacrificed 3 by 24. Rahim sacrificed 1 by 24. Ram sacrificed 3 by 24. Ram ಎಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರಿಗೆ? 3 by 24 ಅನ್ನು. Rahim ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ? 1 by 24 ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Therefore, sacrificing ratio equals 3:1. Sacrificing ratio equals 3:1. This is how sacrificing ratio is to be calculated. You may get a question for 6 marks in section B. Okay, let me take one more problem. Rashmi and Ramya are partners in a firm, sharing profits equally. They are equal partners here. They admit Radha into partnership. The new profit sharing ratio is 5:3:2. The new profit sharing ratio is 5:3:2. Calculate the sacrificing ratio. How to calculate? The same. Write that in calculation of sacrificing ratio. You know that sacrificing ratio equals old share of profit minus new share of profit. Old share of profit minus new share of profit. Rashmi's old share how much? 1 by 2, because they are equal partners. Rashmi and Ramya. Old share is not, old ratio is not given, but they have told Rashmi and Ramya are equal partners. Equal means 50-50. If two partners are there, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. 1:1. The ratio is 1:1. If three partners are there, then ratio becomes 1:1. Then 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Okay, here it is only two partners. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 Rashmi and 1 by 2 Ramya. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ 1:1. The old ratio is 1:1. ಹಾಫ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ರಶ್ಮಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಫ್ ರಮ್ಯ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So Rashmi's old share is 1 by 2. Rashmi's new share how much? You look at 5:3:2. 5:3:2 means 5 plus 3 8 plus 2 10. If total is 10, total profit is rupees 10. 5 rupees goes to whom? Rashmi. 5 rupees goes to Rashmi. Again half it is. Isn't it? So Rashmi's new share equals 5 by 10. Therefore, sacrificing ratio or share sacrificing by Rashmi equals her old share how much? 1 by 2. Her new share how much? 5 by 10. Look there. Old share 1 by 2. New share 5 by 10. Common factor how much? 2 and 10. LCM is 10 only. 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. 5 into 1 into 2 or 2 into 1 into 5 comes to 10. LCM is 10. 2 into 5, 10. You see that? 2 into 5, 10. 1 into 5, 5. So, right here 5. 5 minus 10 into 1, 5. 5 minus 5. So, how much? 0. How much Rashmi has sacrificed here? 0. Because earlier her share was 1 by 2 and now it is 5 by 10. 5 by 10 means again it is 1 by 2. So, Rashmi has not sacrificed anything at all in favor of the new partner, that is Radha. Now let's calculate share sacrificed by Ramya. Ramya's old share how much? Ramya's old share 1 by 2 and Ramya's new share 3 by 10. 5 is to 3 is to 2, isn't it? 5 is to 3 is to 2. So 3 by 10. Therefore, share sacrificed by Ramya equals 1 by 2 minus 3 by 10. Common factor already we have calculated how much it is? 10. Common factor is 10 here. 2 into 5 comes to 10. ಎರಡಕ್ಕೆ 5 ರಿಂದ ಗುಣಿಸಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, that is 10. In the same way, numerator 1 into 5, how much? 5. So write 5 there clearly. 10 into 1, 10. So 3 into 1, 3. 5 minus 3 comes to how much? 2. 2 by 10. 10 is the common factor. 2 by 10. How much Ramya has sacrificed? Ramya has sacrificed 2 by 10 portion in favor of the new partner, that is Radha. Therefore, sacrificing ratio equals 0 by 10 and 2 by 10. That is 0 is to 2. 0 is to 2. Means here Ramya has not sacrificed anything in favor of Radha. The entire portion is sacrificed by Ramya only. Rashmi has not sacrificed anything in favor of Radha, but Ramya has sacrificed the full portion to Radha. So, the sacrificing ratio is 0 is to 2. Okay? Shall we take one more problem? Yes. Then take. Arati and Bharati are partners in a firm, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3 is to 2. They admit Kirti into partnership and the new profit sharing ratio is 4 is to 3 is to 3. 4 is to 3 is to 3. And you are asked to calculate the sacrifice ratio. The same method should be followed, no change here. So take quickly calculation of sacrificing ratio. We know that sacrificing ratio equals old share of profit minus new share of profit. Old share of profit minus new share of profit. Arati's old share how much? 3 is to 2 means 3 by 5. Arati's new share how much? 4 is to 3 is to 3 means 4 by 10. 4 is to 3 is to 3 means 4 by 10. How 4 by 10? It is not magic. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 3, 10. So if 10 rupees is the profit, 4 rupees belongs to Arati. So Arati's new share is 4 by 10. Therefore, share sacrificed by Arati equals her old share 3 by 5 minus her new share 4 by 10. Common factor 5 and 10 we know LCM is 10 only. You can calculate there also. 5, 10. 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja comes to 10 only. LCM is 10. So, 5 how many times comes to 10? 5 into 2, 10. So, 3 into 2 how much? 6. 3 into 2, 6. And 10 into 1, 10. 4 into 1, 4. So write for that 6 minus 4. Therefore, share sacrificed by Arati equals 2 by 10. Share sacrificed by Arati is 2 by 10. In the same way, let us calculate the share sacrificed by Bharati. Bharati's old share how much? 2 by 5. Bharati's new share how much? 3 by 10. Isn't it? Bharati's old share 2 by 5. Bharati's new share 3 by 10. Therefore, share sacrificed by Bharati equals 2 by 5 minus 3 by 10. 2 by 5 minus 3 by 10. Common factor already we have calculated, that is 10. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. 5 ಮತ್ತು 10 ಗೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ LCM is to 10. 5 into 2 10. 2 into 2 4. Right, for that minus 3. 4 minus 3. How we got 3? 10 into 1 10. 3 into 1 3. Comes 2. 1 by 10. Therefore, sacrificing ratio equals 2 by 10 and 1 by 10. That equals 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1 is the sacrificing ratio. Okay. Shall we take one more problem? Yes. Take that. This problem is a little bit different. X and Y are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 7 is to 5. They admit Z into partnership for 1/4 share. X and Y agreed to share the remaining share in the ratio of 2 is to 1. Calculate the sacrificing ratio. This is the problem. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ ಏನು ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಇದೆ? They have not given the new ratio. New ratio is not given. What is given? The new partner share is given, and the ratio in which the old partners share the remaining portion is given. That is 2 is to 1. So here, for calculating the sacrificing ratio, first we need to calculate the new share of X and Y. Their old share, we know it, 7 is to 5, means 7 by 12 and 5 by 12. But their new share is not given in the problem. So we have to calculate the new share of X and Y from the given information. How to calculate? We know that Z's share is 1 by 4. Isn't it? Z's share how much? It is 1 by 4. Z's share 1 by 4. Therefore, the remaining share how much? If 1 rupee is the profit, 1 by 4 belongs to whom? Belongs to Z, the new partner. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಲಾಭ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆಗ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 1/4 ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ? ಜಡ್ನಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್? ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಶೇರ್ ಇಸ್ 1 minus 1 by 4. Remaining share is 1 minus 1 by 4. Comes to how much? 3 by 4. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಒಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ 1 by 4 means quarter. ಕಾಲು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಉಳಿಯೋದೆಷ್ಟು? ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು. 3 by 4. And this 3 by 4 share should be distributed or is to be distributed among X and Y in the ratio of 2 is to 1 specifically mentioned. This remaining share is to be distributed among X and Y, that is the old partners, in the ratio of 2 is to 1, means 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. 2 is to 1 means 2 plus 1, 3. If 3 rupees is the profit, 2 rupees belongs to X and 1 rupee belongs to Y, like that, in the ratio of 2 is to 1. Therefore, new share of X equals 3 by 4 is the remaining share. Remaining share into 2 by 3. How 2 by 3? They have specifically mentioned or agreed that the remaining share will be distributed among X and Y in the ratio of 2 is to 1. So 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 comes to how much? 3 into 2, 6. And 4 into 3, 12. 6 by 12. 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 comes to how much? 6 by 12. 6 by 12. In the same way, we have to find out the new share of X. 6 by 12, you may simplify it. If you simplify it, it comes to 2 by 4. 3 into 2 and 6 and 3 into 4, 12. Even it will come to 1 by 2, but let me keep it as 2 by 4 because the new partner share is 1 by 4. While expressing the proportion into ratio, it's helpful. So let us take it as 2 by 4 only. Next, calculate the new share of y. New share of y how much? 3 by 4 into 1 by 3. 3 by 4 into 1 by 3 comes to how much? 3 into 1, 3. 4 into 3, 12. So it comes to 1 by 4. 3, 1, ja, 3, 4, ja, 1 by 4. So new share of x, 2 by 4. New share of y, 1 by 4. Therefore, sacrificing ratio we have to calculate. And we know that first what we have done, ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಈಗ ನ್ಯೂ ಶೇರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲಿಲ್ಲವಾಗಿತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ನ್ಯೂ ಶೇರ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸಿಂಗ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ old share of profit minus new share of profit. New ratio is 2 is to 1 is to 1. New ratio is 2 is to 1 is to 1. We need not present it here. Simply new share is sufficient for our calculation. ನಮಗೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಶೇರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಆದರೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನ್ಯೂ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ 2 is to 1 is to 1. 2 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. 2 is to 1 is to 1. Now, sacrifice ratio or sacrificing ratio equals old share of profit minus new share of profit. X is old share how much? 7 by 12. 7 is to 5 is that 7 by 12. His new share how much? 2 by 4. His new share 2 by 4. Therefore, share sacrificed by X equals his old share 7 by 12 minus his new share 2 by 4. The common factor is 12 ಮತ್ತೆ 4 ಗೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? LCM ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. 4 into 3, 12. 4 into 1, 4. So common factor comes to 12 only. So LCM is 4 into 3 into 1, that is 12. 12 into 1, 12. So 7 into 1, 7. ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು? 12 into 1, 12. 7 into 1, 7. 4 into 3, 12. 2 into 3, 6. Put it in other words. 4 3 times comes to 12. 2 3 times comes to 6. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದಲ್ವಾ? 4 ನ 3 ರಿಂದ ಗುಣಿಸಿದಾಗ 12 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಂಕೆಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 into 3, 6 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. So it comes to how much? 1 by 12. Share sacrificed by X is 1 by 12. Then share sacrificed by Y. Y's old share how much? 5 by 12 minus his new share 1 by 4 comes to 12 common factor. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. It comes to 2 by 12. Therefore, sacrificing ratio equals 1 by 12 and 2 by 12. That is 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2. This is how the sacrificing ratio is to be calculated. I hope you have understood it. You may try some more problems. Okay? Thank you.